You finish a piece, the notes were right, the timing was there, you didn't make a single mistake, and yet something is missing, and it feels like practice, like an exercise. And I think most of us know that feeling, and there is a name for it. It's the difference between playing the right notes and actually playing music. And what do we do to fix that? We practice more. But actually, we need to do something else. You know, when you play in a band, you have a bass holding the button, you have a rhythm guitar filling the space, maybe there's a singer. I mean, there's a lot going on. But when you play alone, yeah, that's all gone, and you only have your guitar, and every single note you play is important. Every single note you play is the whole story. So I think that you need to stop managing the notes and start meaning them. So that's the key point here. By meaning the notes, I mean you need to focus on not just playing the right notes at the right time, but you need to focus on touch. You know, the pick meets the string makes a huge difference, the angle and the position. And also you need to focus on phrasing, accelerando and ritardando. That means where you hold back or you push a phrase. Really important. And you also need to focus on dynamics, and that is when you play a single note a little harder, or maybe you play a whole section louder, and or the opposite, right? Those are super important things that they are not decorations, and I think that, yeah, you need to work on that, and you know, so that's the shift that you need to make. It's not about, the shift doesn't come from playing faster or playing cleaner. It comes from dynamics, touch, and phrasing. And that's what you need to work on, besides your technique and learning new songs and repertoire. And honestly, that's what I'm here for. So if that's what you're looking for, I have a free lesson. I wrote a complete piece of music with a pick, played with a pick, no vocals, no singer, no band, just one guitar. And you can find the link below. And so, yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao.